Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2020 Toro Titan HD 1500 48-inch zero-turn mower. This mower has 676 hours. This mower is in actually really good condition. I had a pair of these. Very nice shape. These are a commercial series mower. These do have a or deck assisted lift. These have a heavy hydrostat in them. 24.5 horsepower Toro engine. Come on, Braden, we'll walk everybody around here real quick. We've just had it in the shop, serviced it. We did change all the filters and oils. Marked everything. 676 hours. Rubber is really good shape. Decks are in nice shape. Underneath here, deck pulleys and everything are good. Belts are good. It does have a suspension style seat with armrest and folding roll bar. Blades are good. 676 hours. Side deflector is on it. Go turn the camera back over to Braden there. I'm going to fire this thing up, run it around, and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Again, very good mower. Hydrostat's very nice, smooth. Deck's good and quiet. All you have to do there, basically pull up on this. You want your mowing height to be 3 inches. Put your peg in 3 inch, let her down, back up as long. Parking brake. Guys, very good running working mower. The other one was on the internet a couple days and sold. So, guys, got any questions? 814-658-3066. Again, that is a commercial series mower, a good heavy mower, 48-inch, and I believe they call it a turbo force deck. You guys got any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.